Hello everyone. So here we have taken an orange sheet and then cutting it out from the bottom and then rolling the bottom stripes like this, and after that we are just pasting some eyes on this, and then we are making a cap with yellow paper, and by this our cute octopus is ready. Next we are taking an empty roll and then covering it with yellow sheet. After that cutting the middle part and then pasting some wheels on it, and then our cute little car with the little detailing is ready. Next we are taking a black sheet and folding it. After that we are making the ears of this rat and then sticking the eyes. After that we are making some mustache and it is ready. Next we are taking some circle cutouts and joining different color cutouts together so you can see, and then we are pasting the cutouts together to make it look like a cute hot air balloon, and then we are making the balloons with help of clay, and our scenery is ready with little detailings. You can give more detailings you want. Here we are sticking some clouds on it. Next we are tearing this white paper randomly and then just pasting the stripes on this black sheet. After that we are taking orange and yellow sheet and tearing again. Now we are pasting it on this white paper so that it looks like this tree, and then do the full process to both of them, and then by giving some little detailings with black and white marker you can see our scenery is ready. Next we are taking the green sheet and cutting the half of it into stripes and then curling out the stripes just like shown. After that we are just joining it into a circle so that it looks like a can. After that we are making a handle with green sheet only, then cut out some hearts like this to make it in the shape of flower, and then paste the flowers on it and it is ready. Next we are taking the yellow sheet and cutting it out from both the sides just like shown, and then we are rolling and sticking both the sides towards the middle just like shown in the video. After that you can see we are giving it a shape of fish, and then we are just detailing it by just pasting the eye on this and cutting it out from both the ends. Next we are taking a cutout and then folding it in shape of rings. Make two like this and then take a green stripe and then attach it to both the ends. After that take leaf cutout and join it. Next we are taking a yellow paper. By following the markings we are folding it accordingly. After that we are cutting it with the help of pencil and scissor, and you can see your cute little fish is ready. Thanks for watching.